Welcome to Buchanan Trails. Today we are going to tour our new Holden model, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 3,200 square feet. Again, it's one of our top sellers in here. It was also a big seller in Arbor Greens. So coming in through the front door, first thing you'll notice is a nice wide foyer, and you're going to have your flex space up front. It's a nice and bright area, large windows. Can be used either as a home office, could be a fitness center for you. It could be kids' play area. I've also seen it as a prayer room, so multiple uses for the flex space there. So coming on into the home, you will have a IQ panel that's going to be included in your home. It's going to be able to control your front door lock, your garage door opener, your thermostat, your video doorbell as well. So that's all included in our home. So coming back in, it's really going to open up. As you can see here, stairs will have a landing. You have what I call the Florida basement, storage underneath. So here we're going to go into the butler pantry, into your walk-in pantry. Makes a nice coffee station. Really nice sized kitchen. I've actually entertained over 20 people in this plan, and it was plenty of room for everybody. Here we'll walk back to the covered lanai area. You'll notice the sliding glass doors, 2 will collapse into 1. We do offer a screen enclosure. And then looking back into the great room area, dining, kitchen. So one thing all of our 2-stories share in common will be a downstairs guest bedroom, as well as a full bath. This bedroom is right at 11 by 12. It's very comfortable. That's looking back to the garage. This will be your full bath with walk-in shower, and then a little wet room area here. Makes it nice for like shoes and so forth. So looking back, this is color scheme 2, frost cabinets. That's the Florida basement again, nice storage. So let's take a look at upstairs. To me, this is really, this is what sets this home apart from all of our other homes. So at the top of the stairs, you'll have a really nice size loft area. Makes it great for if you have kids. This area can kind of be their space and keep downstairs somewhat normal. Keep the chaos up here. This is looking back into bedrooms 2 and 3. This will be going into the owner's suite. It's going to have a sitting area. It's really perfect too if you have a baby on the way. It makes for a nice nursery. And then you have split vanities. Nobody's getting in each other's way. Garden tub, and then nice walk-in shower. Tray ceiling's all going to be standard. And then the walk-in closet is, it's huge. Most of our plans have like a his and hers, what I call a hers and hers, but this is just a hers. Very nice sized closet. We're looking at optional washer dryer here in the laundry. It also comes pre-plumbed for a sink that you can add after closing. A little closet there for linens. This bedroom is huge. It's as big as most owner suites in a lot of our homes for the walk-in closet. Then you'll have your hall bath here. Again, dual sinks. So if you do have kids, there's no fighting over the toothpaste. And then bedroom number 3 here. So again, this is our Holden. It's a beautiful home.